Hey guys, today on the Subi we're going to be doing some fun stuff. I'm really excited to do this. I got some really cool stuff from Rally Sports Direct and I'm excited to do it. As soon as I bought this car, the shift linkage in this thing was awful and I could tell it right from the beginning. Like I said, when I drove it, it was awful, but I know that it's not too expensive of a repair. And since I knew I was going to replace them anyways, I thought it'd be a good time to get a short throw shifter with it. I have a Cobb shift now already, but I found this really cool Oberon thing, this Oberon beer tap, and I think I can use it as a shifter maybe. I'm thinking to replace this. It's a little bigger, obviously, and I think I'd have to just weld a nut to the threads on this side. So here is the back shifting linkage bushing, I guess. I'm pretty sure this connects to the, I don't know, there's a cross member of some type of support that this sits on with these two bolts. It comes with the new ones anyways, and the shift linkage I'm pretty sure runs into it through that hole. These two are the main ones that go down here, so I'll have to take this whole boot out anyway to redo the third thing that I got, which is this. This is a Kartboy short throw shifter I got from Rally Sports Direct. Great company, I love them. But since I don't have any jacks in my house, I'm gonna have to head over to my grandpa's house. That's usually where we store all our mechanic stuff. We live in a condo, so it's kind of hard to do mechanic stuff here. But over there, we have access to jacks and a full barn, which is awesome. Just as a little demonstration, I will put it in neutral. It's in neutral right now. First gear, it's in first. They're just completely gone. Back and forth isn't bad, but side to side is gone. Considering this car has 212,000 miles on it, I'm pretty sure that the rubber bushings are worn out. Big old fart can. I love Michigan, guys. Michigan is beautiful. I mean, it's a lot of farmland, but there is a lot of cool sights, a lot of cool hills and everything in this state. And there's so much to do here. Just entering Allegan. If any of you Honda lovers out there looking for a JDM B18B, right here, engine and trans, pretty much fully redone. The heads were redone. The intake is not redone, but it's not old. It looks pretty good. The block is stock and it's not redone. New alternator, new starter, new stage 3 clutch. Pretty sweet motor. Hit me up if you want it or want to buy it. There we go. And I have my e-brake on. All my tools, mostly in here. I'm gonna try to use the impact and the ratchet today. Got my extra battery as well, but I think we're gonna have to use the ratchet. I just looked under there and it is pretty rusty, so that's not good. This is my first two bushings right there, inside there. Just look how rusty that is. And my other one is way up in here. Ouch. See if I can get a better light. It's up in there. That's that far back mount. Now it doesn't help that there's a drive shaft in the way and an exhaust, but I'll make do. I'm really happy that this comes with new bolts because those are so bad. I'm really scared I'm gonna just tear the head right off of them, so hopefully I don't. All right, it's soaked in for a bit. Here goes nothing. Got the old trusty snap on. Ooh, that's very promising. It was barely tight. That never goes this easy. Here's the little bracket and the bolt for the nut. We have successfully taken out both the bolts. If I can get a better view. We have that one out. Way right there. And then on this side, I got that one out. Without freaking tearing the heads off. Thank the Lord that that did not happen. I would have cried. Alright, now I'm taking out my shift knob. Come on, baby. There we go. That's a pretty nice shift knob, though. Show it out here. I really like the Cobb shift knob. It's almost new. I kind of still want to put the Oberon one in, though. Just pulled out my little center console almost thing. Now I'm going to take this one off so we have access to it. That just kind of pulls right out. Set it to the side, and look at that. Look at that. There we go. Now I'm switching back over to under here, and I'd finally got this bushing out right here. This thing was a pain in the butt to get out, and it's pretty soft, not too bad. I don't know if it's really the problem, because I was looking at this up here, and this is extremely loose, but we'll see if this fixes it. Got the new ones in there. This thing was honestly a pain to get out. It really was. I put a lot of WD-40 in there, and it just took me forever to pry out. But now that those two are in, I'm gonna head to the back. We're getting her, boys. Slowly and surely. Rear mount is in. That really sucked, boys. Not gonna lie. Not a fun install on the WRX today. My muscles are killing right now, actually. Trying to fit that shift linkage back into the bushing was a pain in the butt, because I didn't watch really any videos on how to do it. I just kind of figured I could figure it out. Besides, I looked one up like a while back, but then I don't know, I just tried to figure it out by myself, because that's usually what I like to do. And I paid for it this time. Eventually, I had to like clip my hands behind the back mount bushing underneath the car and squeeze it on there. And having a lift would have been so much better than this and saved me so much time and hassle. But anyway, here is our finished product. It is extremely changed. This feels like a brand new factory car shifter, dude. Like it's insane. Now I was wrong in thinking that the shifter bushings caused this. Obviously they didn't, because I'm in gear right now and they're doing that. So I'm not sure if it was the actual shifter linkage that was causing it or what. If you guys know what it is, let me know in the comments below. Stay tuned for more installs. I have a lot more coming. Stage 1 power package from Cobb is coming soon. I know it sounds really stupid to do on a car like this, but I'm kind of saying screw it. I'm gonna have some fun with this thing. But yeah, stage 1 is coming soon. Hope you all enjoy. Peace out.